Hello Harston, agus fáilteamh go áireann na seachtaine ile called Joy Dunlop. Hello and welcome back to another Song of the Week with me, Joy Dunlop. Now you might remember that last time we learned the first part of Fharam Bí Me Hín. So let's revise the chorus right now. After 4, hyn, 3, 4. Fharam Bí Me Hín, y sawn the fys mochas. Fharam Bí Me Hín, y sawn the fys mochas. Fharam Bí Me Hín, y sawn the fys mochas. Fharam Bí Me Hín, bí mochas sawn. Glíomh. So let's look at one of the verses, and this one mentions the shore. We are siúil aid. Give that a wee go. Siúil aid na cláthaighin. Na cláthaighin. Travelling the shores. Siúil aid na cláthaighin. Sa cóiseach gcéad. Try that. Sa cóiseach gcéad. Walking on a ghanavich. One more time. A ghanavich. Walking on the sand. So loads of sounds in there. Let's break it up again into small pieces. Siúil aid. Feuch. Give that a go. Siúil aid. And then na cláthaighin. Now try that bit. Na cláthaighin. The shores. So siúil aid na cláthaighin. Try that one more time. Siúil aid na cláthaighin. Glíomh. And the second bit goes sa cóiseach gcéad. Feuch. Give that a go. Sa cóiseach gcéad. And the last wee bit, a ghanavich. Try that one. A ghanavich. So if you stick those two bits together, you have sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. A mouthful, but a fun one to say. So we stick all that together, we have siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. That's your tongue twister for today. And the great thing is, once we've learnt that, we repeat it 3 times over. So let's give it a wee go. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. And a prize for doing so well with those lines is that the fourth line is exactly the same as the fourth line in the chorus. Fharam Bí Me Hín, bí mochas sawn. Nice and easy. So again, we have a different tune for this part. So the first bit, it starts up high this time, and we're going to sing Siúil aid na cláthaighin. Feuch. Give it a go. Siúil aid na cláthaighin. And then we pick it up there and do sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. So we have siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. Give that a go one more time. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. Then we go back down again. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. Try that. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. And then we're back up there for the third line. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. And then the fourth line, same as we already know. Fharam Bí Me Hín, bí mochas sawn. So let's try those 4 lines to do together. We'll do them nice and slowly the first time. And then we'll speed up once we get used to how the words and the music fit together. So here we go. Hyn, 3, 4. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. Fharam Bí Me Hín, bí mochas sawn. Finish that. Let's speed up a wee bit. Hyn, 3, 4. Siúil aid na cláthaighin sa cóiseach gcéad the ghanavich. Siúl with na claptichen sa cosio gede ganavich. Siúl with na claptichen sa cosio gede ganavich. Padam be magocha sound. Magazine. I think we're ready to do the chorus and then the first verse and then back to the chorus as if we're doing it properly, as if we're actually singing the song. Let's take it up a wee bit. Dee 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 dee, hey, yeah, dee, here. Varam be me heen, je zal ne vis morages. Varam be me heen, je zal ne vis morages. Varam be me heen, je zal ne vis morages. Varam be me heen, be morages sound. Siúl with the claptichen sa cosio gede ganavich. Siúl with the claptichen sa cosio gede ganavich. Siúl with the claptichen sa cosio gede ganavich. Varam be me heen, be magocha sound. Varam be me heen, je zal ne vis morages. Varam be me heen, je zal ne vis morages. Varam be me heen, je zal ne vis morages. Varam be me heen, be magocha sound. Margarita, well done everybody. Agus sin an that is the whole of the chorus, the first verse, and the chorus again. Smart aimship. Well done.